说中文。
Chinese pot, Chinese pot, Chinese pot. That's the way to learn Chinese. Chinese pot, Chinese pot, Chinese pot. That's the way to learn Chinese.
Hello and welcome once again to Chinese Pod, bringing you lessons in spoken Mandarin. Come from Shanghai, China. My name is Ken Carroll.
And I'm Jenny.
Now, would you be so kind as to tell us what our lesson is today?
Chinese Pod is proud to present an elementary lesson.
Good.
The clogged toilet.
The clogged toilet. Okay.
Which happens not
Infrequently
in China,
okay.
yeah.
It has been known to happen.
Yeah, I think it has to do with the pipes and water pressure.
The pipes, the water pressure.
to some
I
degrees.
see. Okay. Don't say we don't bring you practical lessons on all sorts of subjects here. We've got 500 lessons. We're really...
and a few toilet-related lessons.
I am tempted to make some puns, but I'm going to have to resist because that's just a low form of humor. Anyway, the clogged toilet. Whoa, let's listen to this dialogue 3 times.
对话第一遍。
是物业吗？
对，什么事？
我的马桶堵住了，麻烦来看一下。
你试过用马桶拔吗？
试过了，没用。
好，我们现在就来。
第二遍。
是物业吗？
对，什么事？
我的马桶堵住了，麻烦来看一下。
你试过用马桶拔吗？
试过了，没用。
好，我们现在就来。
第三遍。
是物业吗？
对，什么事？
我的马桶堵住了，麻烦来看一下。
你试过用马桶拔吗？
试过了，没用。
好，我们现在就来。
Okay, I'll translate.
I'll try to
By
keep
the way,
a
ladies and
straight
gentlemen,
face.
this is another one of Jenny's compositions, all right? So, sorry, go ahead.
是物业吗？
Is this the property management?
是物业吗？
Are you the property manager?
是物业吗？对，什么事？
That's right. What's the problem?
对，什么事？
That's right. What's the matter?
对，什么事？我的马桶堵住了，麻烦来看一下。
My toilet is clogged. Please come and take a look.
我的马桶堵住了，麻烦来看一下。
My toilet is clogged. Could you please come and take a look?
我的马桶堵住了，麻烦来看一下。你试过用马桶拔吗？
Did you try to use the plunger?
你试过用马桶拔吗？
Did you try using the plunger?
你试过用马桶拔吗？试过了，没用。
I tried it, but it didn't work.
试过了，没用。
I tried it, but it didn't work.
试过了，没用。好，我们现在就来。
Okay, we'll be right over.
好，我们现在就来。
Okay, we'll be right over.
好，我们现在就来。
Okay, now, again, you may find yourself in this situation.
Ken, how do you stay serious with language like this?
I don't, actually. I'm inside, I'm kind of laughing. But anyway, the first sentence was...
是物业吗？
Now, this is really useful stuff. If you're in an
Yes.
apartment block,
Yep.
for example, you want to call the office, the management office. They're known as the
物业
The two fourth tones.
Yes.
Ooh, yeah.
物业
Great. What literally, could you tell us
I
more?
was going to say, don't ask me the origin
Okay.
of the word.
Yeah, it's interesting. I don't really know. The yeah kind of has industrial kind of
Yes,
overtones.
industry.
The woo, yeah, I don't know. But anyway, it's two fourth tones. Woo, yeah. And those are the people who manage the property.
Yes.
Great. Now, and the helpful people in the woo, yeah, they say,
对什么事对什么事
so basically, what's up? Now, to be clogged or stuffed is
堵住了堵住了
now 堵住了. Now, 堵, third tone.
Yes.
This is actually used to describe traffic jam too, isn't it?
Yes.
You say
堵车
is a traffic jam. Yeah.
Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Chinese Pod Trivia. Our first question is, how long will it take you to become an intermediate Chinese speaker using the Chinese Pod app? Is it A, the rest of your life? B, you should already be an intermediate speaker? C, 3 months? Or D, Chinese Pod has an app?
You should already be in.
Ooh, that is incorrect. The correct answer is C, 3 months. That's right. Head over to ChinesePod.com now to register for your access to over 4,000 lessons. Get the Chinese Pod app now on Google Play or the App Store.
Now, 堵住了. Tell us about that.
堵住了 means it's stopped up.
It's stuffed up. Okay. So you could also say your nose is stuffed as well. You would say is
鼻子堵住了
yeah. Now, but of course, you're talking about the toilet, and so that's called.
马桶马桶
Now, two third tones there. 马桶.
And don't ask me the origin.
No, I won't. I will not ask you about 马桶. So the toilet is clogged. One more time is
马桶堵住了
great. Well, not great. I mean, the language is great. I hate when that happens. But anyway. Now, so please come and take a look.
麻烦来看一下麻烦来看一下
Good. Now, this is really useful stuff, 麻烦. You're asking somebody
Yeah.
to do you a favor. In this case, you're asking the 物业, right? So you're asking them to 麻烦.
Yes, 麻烦 means trouble. So in this context, it means, can I trouble you to
Yes.
come and take a look?
来看一下. Now, 来, of course, to come. 看一下 means to take a quick look or take a look. But it's a
Yes.
nice, yes, and enjoy the spectacle. But, the idea is like, 看一下, come and see what you can do to help
Yes.
us. All right. Now, of course, the guy's going to resist, right? He's going to go, oh, not another,
Another
堵住了. So he's going to say, did you try using the plunger? He's going to say,
你试过用马桶拔吗
now, 试过, 试, fourth tone,
Yes.
means to 试一试, means
To try. Yes. And 试过 have tried.
Yes, have you tried? 用, fourth tone, to use.
Yep.
The plunger is called
马桶拔马桶拔
马桶拔, which is the ba is second tone, right?
Yes.
The plunger. Okay. So did you try using a plunger? And the answer comes,
试过了没用
I tried it and 没用. Now,
So honest.
it is.
I'm sorry.
You are. But this is actually really useful stuff right
Yeah.
here, right? 没用. It
Yeah.
doesn't work.
So the guy says, 好，我们现在就来
Okay. 好，我们现在就来. That sounds very heroic.
Yes.
Yeah. 好，我们马上就来.
That does take a lot of courage, I guess.
Well, yes. The Wu Ye are tend to be, brave people. But they're not. The guy sitting in the office just called somebody else to go out and do it anyway.
Yeah.
So that's a good phrase. So we'll be right over. Let's hear that again.
好，我们现在就来
我们现在就来. Okay, we'll be over there in no time at all. I bet they can't wait to get there. Let's listen to that 3 more times.
对话第一遍
是物业吗？
对，什么事？
我的马桶堵住了，麻烦来看一下。
你试过用马桶拔吗？
试过了， 没用。
好，我们现在就来。
第二遍，
是物业吗？
对，什么事？
我的马桶堵住了，麻烦来看一下。
你试过用马桶拔吗？
试过了，没用。
好，我们现在就来。
第三遍，
是物业吗？
对，什么事？
我的马桶堵住了，麻烦来看一下。
你试过用马桶拔吗？
试过了，没用。
好，我们现在就来。
Now, I am not going to go through the vocab today for obvious reasons. Yeah.
Mainly for the reason it would take another 30 minutes.
It might do, yeah. And we,
takes and
yeah,
retakes.
and we don't want to constipate the lesson. I said I would avoid jokes. Sorry. Look, we got to go.
Yes.
We'll be back
wow.
again tomorrow with equally practical, but
Yes, probably another subject matter.
for another subject matter. Fine. Right, now, in the meantime, don't forget, ChinesePod.com. Explore.
Offers your daily needs.
Indeed. So go there. And we'll be back again tomorrow. Please
Yes.
contain yourself, Jane. All right. 再见.
再见.
As usual, ChinesePod provides an extensive selection of learning materials for this lesson on its website, www.chinesepod.com. You can access this lesson directly with the lesson number
0487.
So just go to www.chinesepod.com/0487
0487.
and you will find a transcript, vocabulary, and much more. The link again, www.chinesepod.com/0487.
0487.